Does LG TV have Roku app? No. LG Smart TVs do not have a dedicated Roku app available for download from the LG Content Store. However, users can still access Roku's features by connecting an external Roku device or using alternative streaming methods. Roku is a standalone streaming platform with its own operating system, and its app is not designed to be installed on other smart TV platforms like LG's WebOS. 1. Roku app is not available on LG Content Store. LG Smart TVs run on WebOS, which does not support the installation of the Roku app. Unlike Android-based TVs, LG does not allow direct access to the Roku streaming platform through an app. 2. Use a Roku streaming device for full access. The best way to get Roku on an LG Smart TV is by connecting a Roku streaming device, such as a Roku streaming stick, Roku Express, or Roku Ultra. Once plugged into an HDMI port, users can access the full Roku interface, including channels, apps, and live TV. 3. Screen mirroring can be used as an alternative. Users can cast or mirror content from their Roku mobile app to an LG Smart TV. Features like AirPlay for Apple devices or screen sharing for Android devices allow users to display Roku content on their TV, though this method does not provide the full Roku experience. Fourth Roku channel may be available on LG TV. While the Roku app itself is not available, some LG Smart TVs may have access to the Roku channel, which offers free movies and TV shows. This is different from the full Roku platform and does not include access to other Roku apps. 5. Other streaming apps offer similar content. Since LG Smart TVs support various streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Amazon Prime, users can still enjoy popular streaming content without a Roku device. However, for those who prefer the Roku interface and exclusive channels, an external Roku device is necessary. LG Smart TVs do not support a native Roku app, but users can still enjoy the Roku experience by connecting a Roku streaming device or using screen mirroring. The best option for full access is to use a Roku stick or Roku box.